Hi everyone, I'm Melissa. Me and my husband just got back from a bike ride outside because we need to get out of the house. And now I'm going to be making like a rough and ready fried rice from our quarantine kitchen. It's super adaptable, and I'm going to show you how to make it, and you can do whatever. I'll show you how to like substitute ingredients. And let's start. So I have rice cooking right now. It's just regular white basmati. I usually say that wrong. It's basmati, not basamati. And that's cooking for like 15 minutes. Fried rice is usually better with, I think, leftover rice, but I don't have any leftover rice, so I'm just cooking it from scratch. And now I have my pan heating up a little bit. I'm going to put in a clove of garlic. I have my garlic smusher. I know some people don't like this thing, but I feel like my husband feels like it adds the juices better, and I think it does. So I'm smushing this in, and I have olive oil in the pan. You can use whatever oil you want. Canola, avocado. And I'm gonna grate some ginger to give it a little bit of spice. If you don't have ginger, it's fine. You don't have to put ginger in it. Oops. You don't even have to put garlic. Okay. So we're gonna let this heat up, and I'll tell you the rest of what I have. To bubble over. Okay, so we're gonna let this heat up. I'm gonna be I have red bell pepper, I have 1 red bell pepper, 2 carrots, and 3 scallions all chopped up. I separated the whites and the greens. And I also have 3 eggs I'm gonna be putting in it, and some leftover frozen peas and corn. And the only seasoning I really do besides the garlic and the ginger is some soy sauce. I have the less sodium soy sauce, so it's a little bit healthier. And we're gonna mix this up a little bit. You just want to cook this until you can start like smelling it in the air, and I can definitely smell it. So now I'm gonna put in just the whites of the scallions and give that a second to cook with the ginger and the garlic. And I have the heat on like low. So instead of the bell pepper or instead of the bell pepper, you can use, I don't know, other peppers. Oh, mushrooms. Yeah, mushrooms is a good idea. My husband just mouthed mushrooms to me. And you can also, I like bean sprouts. I did bean sprouts in my fried rice last time. I think they're really good, and they're super healthy for you. You can also put in bok choy, spinach, kale to make it even healthier. Literally any vegetable you have in your fridge you can use. I put beans in mine last time too. I don't think that's really traditional fried rice, but the more adaptable the better. And you can you can use whatever you have in your pantry. And the beans would add more protein instead of just having eggs. Okay. Now I'm gonna add in the peppers and the carrots. And we gotta let these cook for a little bit since the carrots are so hard. They're gonna take a little bit to soften up. I turn the heat up just a little bit. is done, or it should be. Yep. Okay. So the rice is all cooked. I'm going to take it off the heat right now. We'll go back to the carrots and the peppers. Okay. I'm gonna get a fork. Fork the carrots to see if they're getting soft. Yeah, they're getting there. So I'm going to start adding the other veggies in. I didn't say before, I chop mine up. They're not too small, but I like to keep them small-ish for fried rice. If you're doing a stir fry or something, you can make them a little bit bigger, but the size of the veggies is up to you. So now I'm going to add in the peas, which are still frozen, but they'll just heat up pretty quickly in the pan. Add the corn. Is the corn just going around? Okay. So now I think I'm going to add in the eggs. And to do that, we're just going to turn the heat down. And I'm going to make a little like circle in the middle of the pan. And I'm going to start cracking the eggs. And you just mix it up in the middle. It's okay if a couple pieces of veggies gets in there. I think doing it this way versus just cracking them and mixing them into the veggies, you get more pieces this way. I feel like if you just mixed it into the veggies straight, you wouldn't get like, it wouldn't be as chunky, I think. I want like visible pieces of egg in my fried rice. And I'm doing 3 eggs because I like a lot of eggs, and my husband likes his protein in his meals. So we're going to mix these eggs in here. We don't have to mix it constantly. We want it to cook a little bit, so let's give these eggs a second. So now my eggs are pretty cooked, so I'm going to start mixing all the veggies together with the eggs. Whew, my hand is actually getting tired right now. And at this point, we could start adding in our rice. So I'm going to grab my rice. Pour this baby in. I did a cup of rice. I cooked a cup of rice. Just so you have measurements. If you wanted to do the same exact thing as me. So now I'm going to mix all this rice in. Almost done. Okay, so the last step would obviously be to add our soy sauce in. And this is a brand new bottle. I really don't know how much soy sauce I add in. I do add a good amount, because if you don't, you just do like a little sprinkle right now, you're really not going to taste it. And I just used white rice, so it's really not going to have that much flavor unless I added like more ginger and garlic. So I add a decent amount of soy sauce. But like I said, this is the less sodium soy sauce. It's tamari, so it's really not horrible, I would say. So wow, I added a lot. Let me see. Now it's like this nice brown color. We'll give it like one more second to for the flavors to kind of like meld together in the pan. And that's pretty much it. So let me scoop some onto a plate. We forgot the scallion greens. You want to put these in last because they'll cook kind of quick. You could just put them on as a garnish, but I like to have them in the stir fry. So let me mix these in. Okay, better. Take two. So here it is. Rice, peppers, carrots, corn, peas, nice chunks of egg. Super good, super easy. If you have any questions, you could always comment on the post. Have a great day, everyone.
So you're saying I'm wrong?
Yes.
Wakey Ollie knows back.
Fork? Huh. And my husband's being a jerk. This is what it looks like. Oh yeah, I forgot my